It's beautiful, so we're gonna keep that. We're not gonna send it back. Larger rugs. What this mean, with the bed and everything put up, I don't have to go back to work to get all this underneath the bed and sort it out over the floor. So I'm at it again. Say what you feel for say. Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So you must have watched my other videos already regarding me furniture shopping for my bedrooms, or for my bedroom and my kids' bedroom. So this is basically a video showing you the furniture actually coming into the house and me just refurnishing the entire bedrooms. Okay, so hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, like, share and subscribe, please go ahead and do so. Tell a friend to tell a friend. All right, let's jump right into it.
I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
As you can see, I am in the middle of actually changing out all 3 bedrooms. My daughter bedroom, I'm actually in here right now. Unfortunately, this bed frame that I bought to convert the crib, it's not working. So the Greco Rory convertible 4-in-1 crib, the conversion set that they have, is not good. It does not work. It doesn't fit the bed. So I have to go do a refund on this. So this new crib I may have, brand new. She hasn't really, I think she slept in it when she was a couple months. She didn't really sleep in that crib. It's just there for decoration. I'm gonna change it over to the toddler bed, and it was just there because she wasn't sleeping in it. So I wanted to convert it now into the full bed. It's what you can see here. But that's not working out. So I have to go take this back down, and I just ordered another one to fit here. All the deliveries are actually coming on Thursday. Today's Tuesday, so I'm trying to change out the, everything as much as possible, so when the guys come for delivery, we're just moving in. So I did already move over the dresser and fix it up. I have the nightstand here that I need to clean off and fix up as well, and just fix up our room. I have also gone ahead and ordered some rugs and her night lights, or what do you call it? Yeah, the night light, whatever. So you'll see that. So I'm trying to do so much here, as much as possible. So what you saw earlier was us just taking everything out, packing up all the clothes, and they had so much old clothes that couldn't fit them. So we had like 4 bags. All clothes that were just dashed a while ago. Not even all clothes. Clothes are not really wear it, still have tag on it, but just not fitting them. So we still have that dresser down there, and the crib bed mattress downstairs that we're gonna give away to Restore, and I think we're gonna maybe do the same thing for the crib too. And then in Tristan's room, we have some of his clothes already packed up here that are still, these are clothes that he's gonna be wearing. We're gonna be changing out. We're gonna put them in the playroom. So here we're gonna have a nightstand and everything. This bed is gonna go. Everything is gonna go here, including this. His rug is also coming. So the only thing gonna stay in here is his bedside table right there, so bedside lights right there, so, and his desk and chair. So I'm gonna change out everything in full bedroom set. Now my bedroom just had to go. It was stripping. It was a hot mess up there, so the whole bedroom set is gonna come in here. I know my room dirty. As Mr. May try clean up from morning, it's just a hot mess. So we need to take out our stuff as well. This was Tavanya's old chest of drawer that I'm also gonna put in Tristan's room along with the other chest of drawer that he's getting, just to see how it fits. I really don't want to give this away yet. So it's just, these are basically before, guys. I'll see if I can actually show you while I'm changing out the other stuff when the guys come with the other stuff and things like that. But right now it's like a whole hurricane. So Troy's here. He was the one that was helping me doing all of these things, but he just went to the doctor and then went to pick up the kids at the same time. So he's coming back to pack up this so we can actually send them back to Walmart. Walmart was where I actually purchased this, by the way. So they have it at Walmart, Target, and stuff like that. But the reviews on every website is bad. So aware of the reviews somewhat, but should I say no, I just buy it and maybe still work? I bought it, not working. So, and it's $148, guys. 138 plus tax. You calculate up to $148. So it makes no sense actually trying to make it work when we can actually get one better one that actually works. So that's what's going on right now. So I'll see you in the next clip, guys.
The next day.
Hey guys. Alright, so I'm actually just dropped off the kids from school, and I'm actually on my way to go pick up I purchased a standing mirror and a couple pillows for the kids. So I'm actually heading there now to go get those from Walmart, and then I'm heading back home. So basically you'll be seeing bits and pieces of me decorating all 3 bedrooms. You may not see the full video, but you see, sorry, bits and pieces, okay? So right now, I'll see you when I get to Walmart. So about to put in the number. Okay, perfect. Let's snap. How much help? Let's let me go. I think you put that seat.
Yeah. Hammer and most people apartment. I took the church for like people. Yep. Yeah, the same thing. That's why they model all the motor vehicles. You go in one room, take the church. That's why they model all the motor vehicles.
Yeah.
Cause of your ass. Oh. You think so? I don't even want to know your name, man. I don't even know.
Yes, that was quick. That was quick. Like I literally just pulled up, and she was right there at my window. I was trying to put in the number that say that I'm here. That's crazy. All right, so we got the stuff, got the mirror and everything. So we're on our way home. So let's
go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You
The
never
next
hear me,
day.
bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain.
Hey guys, so the items are actually here. The guys are actually setting up as we speak. So I'm going to show you on the outside and show you what they're doing. So come along with me. Oh God, it's a hot mess right here. So I got this from Amazon. This was delivered this morning. It's going at the end or the bottom of the bed. Right now it's crazy on the outside. You got this here. This is going to be the rail for Tristan's bed, I think. Have them on the outside there. All this is coming inside. So they're taking them out from the outside because they're actually setting them up before they leave. So that's what you see there. And then we're gonna go on the inside. So they're actually in the process of setting up my bedroom. Guys, I emptied everything. Last night I literally slept on just the mattress. So this is in Tristan's room right now. Everything all over the place. This is his headboard and footboard. That rug is also a new rug that came yesterday from Amazon as well. So they're here setting up the bed. That's a headboard. This is a footboard. Headboard, footboard.
Step 1. Wake up early, don't rise with the sun. Step 2. Grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4. Do your thing. Wake up.
I didn't get your name.
My name?
Yes.
Patricio.
Patricia. I've never heard that before.
Patricio in Spanish.
Patricia. And then in English it's what? Patrick?
Patrick, yeah. Yeah.
Poquito.
¿Habla español?
Un poquito. Muy poquito.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Oh, perfect. I thought it was gonna affect the pictures, but it's just right under it.
Yep.
This is beautiful.
Yes,
Grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
I forgot they had storage on them.
not really. Seems nice.
Yo, for some nice money.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah, right?
Oh my god, I had to lock my eyes. But I needed a new bedroom set. It was a hot mess.
Yeah, this is nice. It's strong too.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then what sold me was the LED lights. A little bit of fancy to it.
Mm-hmm. This is you?
Yes.
Oh.
When I was younger.
Oh,
That's me, yeah. Look different?
not too much. How many years?
That was 10 years.
Oh, 10 years?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Looks like the same.
I do?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'd say that's a big compliment. Because I have changed so much over 10 years. 2 kids later.
Oh,
this feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me.
Ahí mismo siento el corazón, se está haciendo espacio.
Fine. Patrick, can I come in? Or no?
Sorry?
Can I come in? No? Space is limited?
Yeah, one moment.
I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I
Sí, a los lados de la cama. Creo que van a estar mover. Después yo voy a decirle a un lado.
So one to that side and one to this side. Is it too big? Is it too big? Okay. Can it fit? No? Too. Damn, you're fast.
Yeah, this is more easy.
This is easier?
Yeah, this not don't have a storage.
Oh.
Yeah, just the right. I always have a footwear rest.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's bigger than I thought, though. And tall, it's blocking his name and everything. That was quick. This is Tristan's bed. It's taller than I thought.
Alright, so where are you gonna put the chest?
So the chest is gonna be here. Okay.
Sí. Y después voy a poner como que después hacer un sorpasito aquí.
So for this, push it to the.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the mirror first.
Okay. Oh, it has to be on the wall.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it bad that I did not go through all of this when I was at the store? This is huge. I think the one I saw was actually queen size. So the king is ridiculously large. Look at this dresser. Look at this nightstand. I thought my bedroom was huge, but this just swallowed the hell out of it. The mat and everything. Like, this is crazy. My whole bedroom is done. But it's beautiful. That counts, right? It's beautiful, so we're gonna keep that. We're not gonna send it back. It's beautiful. Do you see the light? Let's show you the light. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Do you see that? Look at that. It's beautiful. Let me plug this in and let you see. Look at this. See that? That's amazing. He's beautiful. Okay, what's going on with this strand? Do we need to take the clock off? Is that gonna be okay?
I think it's kinda cold. Yeah,
So you want to take it off?
Yeah, let me check. If you want, you can take it off.
Okay. This is now blocking the closet. Damn. Stupid king size bed. Damn, I still got more stuff. So it's just the chest and the 2 bed and the 3 mattresses, right?
Yep.
I feel like I bought the whole store. Damn. Oh my gosh. Guys, 3 touch. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. I love it and I hate it at the same time. I love it because it's beautiful, but I hate it that it's so huge. This is nice. All this got stuff. I got a new nightstand. What you call it? Shoe stand that's coming. All this got to go. Oh shit! This lights up too.
Yeah.
See, I'm just buying things I don't even know. Okay. Just plug out the night light for me, please.
Yep. Sure.
I guess I don't need that anymore. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's see. Bam, bam, bam. Can you tell I'm excited? I'm happy. Let's get it off up close. Yeah, I'll just clear everything up when you guys are gone. Okay, so it's blocking that just a little bit. May have to find, I'll find a home for it.
In the living room?
Yeah, raise it a little bit. And censor it, because now it's lean. So I gotta censor it and then,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. Guys, look at that. It's transformed. I'm so strong. Look how strong they are. It says. I think the first one that they're taking up. This is the queen. That's the queen for Tristan's room. My sister was right. I should have taken the full bed for Tristan. But I was thinking I don't want to buy anything again in the future. It's not gonna fit. This one like this. I'll figure it out. And that just comes right in, right? Look at that. I bought this from Walmart. This is what I picked up from Walmart yesterday. This was in Tavania's room that I put over here in the meantime. I might let it stay, or I might, I don't know. But I don't want to get rid of this. I have a doctor's appointment for the kids shortly, so I'm going to have to stop and go get them.
You said, I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted. My heart's...
Huh? That's the queen? I took it off. It's a queen, or okay?
Yeah.
Is the mattress or the box spring?
That's the box spring. This is wood.
Okay.
Yeah, the box spring and mattress.
So this is the box spring. Savania's bed is coming on Tuesday because I ordered it through Walmart after I figured out that the frame that I bought from Walmart originally was not going to work with her bed to convert her crib into the bed. So I actually had to go and purchase a brand new bed frame and everything that comes with the bed head, or the headboard as I call it. So I have the mattress I got from Bob's. I have the old baseboard just in case, or box spring. And then this is her crib that's pulled apart that's gonna go. Alright. You have the, yeah, that is her old crib that would have been the box spring, the freaking headboard. That's not gonna work. So her setup will actually be on Tuesday. So the only thing I need to get now is the mattress for Tristan and the chest of drawer, which is coming right now. Give them space. These guys are amazing. Amazing. Then clean while they're working, to clean up behind themselves. That's the king, right?
Sorry?
That's the king for in here?
Yeah.
Just put it right here and I'll figure it out.
Okay.
Just press it right here. Yeah.
right?
Yep.
Alright.
Thank you. I tell that these guys clean up behind themselves and stuff like that just to make sure the place keeps clean, and they're just so. I don't know if I come here record, but actually, no, I'm not gonna say that because they were doing it before I actually start recording. They were cleaning up and stuff like that, and you know, they're just really respectful and careful how they're doing things. Very nice. So very nice. Mattress is coming now for Tristan.
I'm sorry?
This didn't need a base, right? The mattress
Yeah.
could have just gone on it before, without the box spring, right?
Yeah, you need the box spring.
I need a box spring for this one?
because this has just 3 slots.
Okay, so it's not stable.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
And this is for my son. It's gonna be so high for him.
Eventually. The next day.
Hey guys, so far I have put the bed together. I kind of put the room in a one way, and don't look on that over the stairs. So wait, hold on, don't look on that neither. So I have put almost everything together. Now keep it in mind, guys, that this is not this might change. All right, this might change for the Christmas and whatever not, but I had to, my house looked like when I literally just moved in, it was a hot mess. So today I'm just gonna finish up do the fine-tuning on Tavania's room until when I get the additional stuff for Christmas when I'm doing that decoration. So for right now, it's the best that it can be, and she loves it. She actually slept in her room for the first time last night. So this is like another day after I finish making the bed and stuff. I'm gonna just put the final touches, which is her rug, and what else? I'm gonna change her, put her mattress cover because the mattress cover never come in time, the protector. So I'm gonna take her back off our stuff them out for our bed and put on the mattress protector right now, and then show her Tavania's room, and then we'll jump in the other bedroom then. So guys, just stay tuned for that, okay?
Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Alright guys, so that was Tavania's room. It's finally done. Right here, so I just spoke to the electrician because we don't want to really play with yourself, but here it says where her TV is gonna go, so this should be put up by tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, next week. So her TV is gonna go right here. Alright, so that's my baby's room. She slept in here for the first time last night and she had an amazing time. She loved it. So on to Tristan's room. Let's go. So guys, I bought huge rugs this time because the rugs that they had before were just these small ones. What's them? Like a 4x5, 4x6 and something. So I got larger rugs. What this mean, with the bed and everything put up, I don't have to go back to work to get all this underneath the bed and I thought it out over the floor. So I'm at it again. Alright guys, so that was Tristan's room. I told her Tristan's room is the smallest room in the house. So like there's not a lot of space to do a lot of things. But for the two kids' room, for Tavania and Tristan's room, one of the things that I want to add for the Christmas are some LED lights. And you know, additional like Christmas decoration and stuff. But for right now, that's their room. One other thing I was running from, if you guys watched the video already in terms of when I was actually shopping for the furniture, was to ensure that the chest of the nightstand fits in the room. Well, it did not. So I have to use my Anton Fashion and turn it sideways for right now. So it's turned sideways for right now. So what I'm gonna have to do later on in the year, or not later on in the year because I already October, but eventually I'll have to turn around the room completely to get the chest of drawer, to get the nightstand fit properly. But for right now, that is what it is. So onto my room. hope you actually enjoyed the video. Don't forget to go ahead and drop a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you would change or what you wouldn't change, what you like. If you actually want to know where I purchased some of this stuff, well, you already know. Amazon and Bob's Furniture Discount Store or something like that in Manchester, right? In Connecticut. So go ahead, like, share, subscribe. Until later. Bye-bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.